Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mello. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and you guys are ready for Christmas. So in today's video, I'm doing another Vrenmol Polygel kit. Again, this is one of these kits that just comes with the polygel. It comes with 6 colors and just the instructions, and that's it. There's nothing else to it, which I love. I just give me the colors at this point. That's all I need. Anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the colors. That one was white, I believe. Yep, this is brown gold. Next, it's the, if you can't see, I believe that's soft sheer pink. It's not very sheer though. That's weird. But light brown, which doesn't look brown to me. I don't know why they call it that, but this one is black star, and this one is gold. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and now you'll see me swatch them on the paper towel like always. It's just a basic white. And you know, I noticed with this white, when I put it in the lamp, it kind of glowed yellow, which was weird, which makes me feel like if you wear that white for a while, it seems like maybe it'll turn yellow. I don't know. Somebody let me know in the comments if that's happened to y'all or not, because I don't know. It was just weird, like it glowed. It had a yellow glow to it. It was just weird. So anyways, yeah, that's that light brown color, which does not look brown. It almost looks purple. And then here's the black. And last but not least, there's the gold. And I'll show you up close. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with this design. So I'm using the brown gold, I think is what it's called. I just did it. How do I not remember? But anyway, yeah, so this is the brown gold. So what I'm doing here, I'm just going in with one layer. And I did a second layer because I actually was trying to get it more opaque because I didn't realize it was this translucent. So I actually went in with a second layer after this one. So I cured this one for 30 seconds. And then I go in with a second layer. And I did this on both this pointer finger and my ring finger. So this is just me going on the first one. And yeah, like I said, polygel, it takes me forever because you can play with it forever. So I take a long time. And also what I realized, I think it may be a little bit faster using forms. I don't know, for whatever reason. I feel like when I form the nail myself, maybe it goes a little bit quicker. I don't know. Because maybe, I don't know, maybe I don't like the tip telling me where to go and I prefer the form because I can do what I want. I don't know. I have issues, y'all. I'm sorry. But anyway, like I said, this is the ring finger here. So I went in with the one coat on each and then I cured for 30 seconds. I really like this color too. It's pretty. But the way it shows on Amazon when I looked at it, it was a deeper brown. So I was thinking it was more opaque. It doesn't look translucent at all, so I thought it was a little bit darker, but apparently it's not. But I like it anyway, so it is what it is, right? Sorry about the blurry. I don't know what goes on with my camera sometimes. But yeah, so these, I'm gonna go in, yeah, I'm just going back and correcting a little bit. And then I cured, and now I'm going in with the second layer. And then, yeah, these tips that I used also, these I got off of Amazon. And I'll have them linked below as well as the polygel kit if you guys are interested. So you can check it out. I believe they actually have these on sale right now. I think when I bought these, they were $19.99. And I think they're actually on sale with, you know, the holidays and stuff. So you may be able to get a good deal on these kits right now. So it might be a good time to check them out. So I'll link them down below. and then you can kind of check them out and see what the deal is. I think I saw it for like $13.99 maybe, and like I said, I bought it for $19.99, so you may get a little discount. But anyway, guys, you guys know I feel like I've already talked way too much in this video. I'm not a big talker, so that's usually why I don't talk through the whole video. I figure you guys prefer to watch what I do. But I'm just gonna leave you guys here, let you finish watching the rest of the design so you can see. I'm just putting on these fall leaves in the color. I do this on both fingers, and then you can see what I do on the rest. Just keep watching. Make sure to watch till the end. And I really appreciate you guys so much for watching. Everybody who's commented and liked my most recent videos, I really appreciate you guys. Keep it up. Keep commenting. Any questions, put them in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. I really appreciate it. Like I said, like or dislike. Either way, the engagement is great and I appreciate it. And anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.